Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. We have here a John Deere S240. Just want to show you how to take the mower deck off. First thing we got to do, as I said in the past, is we find a smooth surface. I actually have the mower deck all the way down. Usually the mower deck's up. Just make sure you put the mower deck all the way down. This is your lift handle for your mower deck. It's on the left side. I'm going to go around to the right side. We have to take the mower deck off of this one, and it's an electric PTO. So the electric PTO is up here. This is just a button switch to turn the electric PTO on, which means that this is spring loaded underneath the machine. All right, so everything's taut. Everything is real taut. Well, actually, it's just spring loaded, but there's no real easy access to take this belt. It just doesn't drop off the front. On this S240, they put these L brackets here, just like the ones that don't have the electric PTO, just like a normal one. This is your electric PTO clutch. This is what I'm talking about when I say electric PTO. This is the electric clutch right here. So everything is taut. Everything is spring loaded. You just pull a button up and away the deck goes. So taking this off, since everything is tight, there is no cables that we have to deal with. We just have to pull the mower deck belt off one of the pulleys. And I found out the easiest pulley to take it off of would be the right side mower deck pulley. You just pull it out a little bit up on top of the pulley, and it'll just roll right off the pulley on the back side of it, and then that'll release your belt tension, and then you can go around to the front and take it right out of the bracket. I usually take them off the front, but this bracket actually hinders me putting it back, taking it off with the spring tension here. So by taking it off of this pulley here, just made it that much easier. So just remember, when you put it back on, you have to put it around the engine first on this one. I'm just going to show you here. You have to make sure you're in the groove and around this bracket here. The other side has a little L bracket too. It's one big bracket, but on this side too. Make sure you're in between them, and I can tell that I am. And then when you go to put it on, you're going to find your belt back here, and you're going to wrap it around the back, and then just turn it forward, and that'll put it right back on. So it's pretty easy to take the belt off of this S240. So I'm going to take it back off. Slides right off the back side. Take it off the front pulley again, around the bracket on the air side, drops down. Now I'm going to go to the front and take off the front arm that holds the mower deck up. Got to find which side the pin's on. This one's on this side. This pin, these are newer style pins. I like them. It has a washer. Don't lose these pins. And like I said before, take off this. Just comes right out the front. And so you don't back up on it. You just take them out, just put them aside for now until you get everything done what you had to do. Now we're gonna go to the back. Looks like somebody's had this one off before, and as I say in my videos, this pin is actually, I don't like it this way because if you're moving forward, this pin could pop out if you hit something. I usually like to have it this way. So when you put it back together again, just have it facing the back of the mower. It just, for me, it's just a comfort thing that I know that I usually go forward and it's not gonna pop out. So you pull the pin, usually has a washer, you drop this down. Now I'm doing it kind of a little bit, I just lost a washer, but it's on the mower deck, so I know where it's at. You can also do either or. You can do the back brackets and then the side brackets, but this back bracket has to come off. This one, usually a little bit harder. Take it off of there, washer comes off, comes out. Turn it sideways to get these to come out. Push them in, turn them clockwise again, or counterclockwise, and they go back on. They have a little, it's like a little puzzle right there. It's a piece of the puzzle. Just make sure it fits in properly. Put it back on, and you put it back on like that. Take it off, slide it out. Pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna go around to the other side, do the same thing. Got a pin. Now I'm going to use my pliers because these get a little tough. Pull the pin up, washer. I'm going to slide this off, turn it, pull it out, it's off. And these, as I've said before in the past, these face backwards. The loop should face the back wheels when you put them back on. All right, so when you put this back on again, just remember that it'll be facing that direction, back towards the wheels with this loop right here, and then you put it back on correctly. Got one more arm here to take off. This pin's also on backwards in my eyes, but I guess there is no backwards, but I like them to go facing the other direction. I have the pin for that one. This is where I'll put the mower deck all the way up. Not that those brackets that came off is going to make a difference, because you shouldn't have any problem. You just do it automatically, put the mower up to get the hinges out of the way, and this should slide out. And there we have it, removing a mower deck on a John Deere S240. Thanks for watching.